Hello, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Randy4short, or Randy4short, and I make budget, planning, and organization videos. If that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. In today's video, I will be making a DIY sticker planner. If you watched my office tour or any of my Plan With Me videos, then you know that I love to use wax paper to pre-plan my stickers. Pre-planning lets me plan quicker, and I like putting together the themes of the stickers. I find it very therapeutic and relaxing. So the way that I was using the wax paper, I would just tear off a sheet and then put my stickers down, and then I would just basically have a pile of them that had all of my pre-planned stickers on it. While this worked, I wanted a better way to organize my sticker pages and an easier way to store them, because if you watch my office tour video, I just stored them under my desk, and while it was out of the way, when I went to go and pull a particular pre-planned sticker page, it was just like a hassle to flip through them because I wouldn't put them in order, because it was just really no rhyme or reason to it. I would just shove it under my desk. So basically this idea came about when I was watching Hannah on a live where she was planning her Valentine's Day stickers using wax paper, and since I already did the method, I was just listening as I drove to work, but she read a comment that said the person used a sticker planner in order to pre-plan their stickers, and I did not catch the name of the person on IG who made that comment. So if it was you, or if you know who it was, then go ahead and leave it in the comments, because I would love to give them credit. But this is my take on the sticker planner that was mentioned. So far you've seen me cut out an outline of a rose design from scrapbook paper. So I am trying to use up my scrapbook paper. So instead of using a happy planner cover that I already had, I wanted to DIY a cover out of scrapbook paper, and that's what you see. I'm making 3 different covers just so I'll have options, and I just cut out the rose pattern and then I stuck it to another piece of paper so that I would have, a cute little design that I could have for the month of February. And I used, I'm making it the size of a big planner so that I would have the maximum amount of space that I could in order to pre-plan stickers. And here you just see me looking at the gold Mambi Sticks alpha stickers that I had. I was going to go with the gold, but then I changed my mind and thought to go with this silver, because I just thought it went better with this with the flowers, and that looks purple, but it's more kind of like a dark navy type of color. So I'm just going to spell out sticker planner right now, and then I'm going to laminate these pages because I haven't used my laminator yet, and that was another reason why I wanted to DIY a cover. And if you want to try this out, you don't have to make it the size of a big. You can make it really any size that you want. If you want to make it the size of a mini, or if you want to make it the size of a classic planner, or anything that you want, you can do that. And but I just decided to use a big because I wanted to keep it all in one album, so to speak. And like I said, I am making multiple covers just so I will have options. The rose cover I'm using for the month of February just so I can get those Valentine's Day vibes. And then this marble cover, I'm just going to use basically as I please, just switch it in and out. And I'm just going to start making covers for this planner, and any other planner that I have, I'll just start making covers for it, just so I can start using my laminator and my scrapbook paper stash. So here you can see that I went ahead and laminated the pages, and now I'm going to punch them. I do have the classic and big Happy Planner punch, but if you have that, you know that they recommend not punching through thick paper. You're only supposed to use 3 sheets at a time, and initially I thought that it was going to be too thick for my punch, so I was gonna DIY the punches by using a regular hole punch that you see off to the side, and I'm just marking where I was gonna hole punch. So if you don't have the Happy Planner punch, then this is the way that you do it. You just get a regular hole punch, mark where you want to punch it, and then you want to cut slits in the right next to the punch so that your disc can slide in and out. So you're going to cut the slit, and then you're going to leave a bit of room, and then you're going to cut it again so that you have like a little gap to let your disc through. So instead of punching the wax paper that I already had, I decided to order some 8.5 by 11 blank sticker paper, or like label paper, from Amazon, just so I can have it the size of a big. And I didn't use the wax paper because honestly the wax paper is, in my opinion, too flimsy, and I wanted something a little bit sturdier. So what I'm doing is peeling up the actual blank label, and I'm putting that on the wax paper so that I can use that later as like whiteout paper or whiteout stickers or something like that. So I'm pulling off a couple of the labels so that I can stick them inside the cover, and then that's what I'll use as my pre-planning pages. And quick side note, I was going to put the sticker planner on classic disc, but I decided to use mini disc because I wasn't starting off with too many pages, so I thought the mini disc would be a better option than the classic. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and stick the wax paper in, and honestly you don't have to buy the sticker paper from Amazon. You could just use whatever empty like the back of the sticker pages that come in the sticker books. You can use that. It's just that I personally wanted a bigger page to work with, and I know that I'm going to use the blank label paper in some way, shape, or form, so I'm not worried about wasting the labels that came on this paper that I'm using. So right now I'm trying to use up the stickers on one of the rolls that I have, and I'm just looking for something that I can use as a label because I want to label the pages so that I can remember when I'm going to use them or what I'm pre-planning, so that I can keep it organized. So I'm putting 2 stickers down. One I'm putting for like what type of layout I'm pre-planning, like whether it's monthly or weekly or something like that, and then the second sticker is for like the date, whether I'm doing the February monthly or whether I'm doing this date through this date weekly or something like that, or am I pre-planning a holiday, am I just gathering stickers for something. So that's what those labels are for. And here you can see I'm just taking the stickers off of the wax paper that I was originally using, and I'm just sticking it down on these new wax paper pages. And here, these are all of the Valentine stickers that I want to use. So what I do is I basically flip through all of my sticker books looking for Valentine's Day stickers in this case. And for anyone wondering, the stickers do come off of this paper very easily, just like how I'm pulling it off of this wax sheet. It comes off of the wax paper the same way. And the wax paper does take off some of the tackiness of the sticker, but it doesn't affect how it lays on paper. Like, it will still stick to paper, it's just a little less tacky. So if anything, if you're somebody that change your mind a lot when putting down stickers, this will help you pull up the sticker more easily because it's less tacky. And then from all the stickers that I've put down, these paper icon little dots that I'm putting down right here are the only ones that have moved around. Like when I turn the page, some of them will shift around on this wax paper, but I'm very careful when I'm closing and opening this sticker planner. I'm not like throwing it around and stuff like that, so I haven't had any problems with stickers falling off, with the exception of these little paper icons. So I try to be careful with that page, but otherwise I just turn the pages like normal. So if you don't want to purchase labels like I did, then go ahead and just use, when you use up a page in your sticker books, go ahead and punch that and put together your own little DIY planner. You don't have to buy this sticker paper in order to create this. Like, use whatever's in your stash that you think might be handy. But I just thought, this was a quick way to make my DIY sticker planner. And I plan to use the labels that came on the paper, so I'm not wasting money or paper. But if you don't want to DIY this and you want something already made, I did see a review by Southern Tea Time and another channel called Elite Planning here on YouTube. I did see them review a sticker storage album by Capital Chic Designs. I haven't found any links where they're available because it looks like it's all sold out, but I believe it is sold at Michael's. So whenever I find a link, I will put it down in the description. And the link to this blank sticker label paper that I'm using for my DIY planner is already down in the description for those of you who are interested. So let me know down in the comments, do you pre-plan your stickers? Do you like it? What's stopping you from pre-planning your stickers? I just want to know, how many of you out there like pre-planning your stickers and how you do it and things like that. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And go ahead and share this video with anyone that you think might like it or might find it helpful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.